development programs and annual giving. And I'm going to get us going right into the program tonight. We're going to be introducing a succession of speakers to talk about these high impact programs. And so I'm going to introduce Dr. Meggan Madden. She's held the role as Principia's Dean of Academics for 2 academic years. Her entrance into Principia was perfectly timed, as her primary research as an academic professor has been in internationalization of college curriculum, which is perfectly oriented with Principia's current context. Dr. Madden has taught at a graduate level at George Washington University, Middlebury Institute of International Studies at Monterey and Arizona State University, as well as the University of Toronto. Meggan is a huge asset to Principia College and a fellow graduate with me. I know her well from our student days, and we're just delighted to have her speak with us about what she sees occurring in education today and how Principia's programs are preparing to empower today's students. So welcome, Meggan.
Great, thanks, Kevin. I'm really grateful that I have this opportunity to share some of the exciting activities happening here at Principia College. So in addition to sharing our academic priorities, I've also been asked to share an example of one of our high impact practices, which is undergraduate research. And so I'm going to share my screen just to kind of set the stage here. So Dr. Marie Farson, actually, before I share my screen, I'll just share, set this up a little bit. So given our focus on teaching excellence, our breaks are usually when faculty have blocks of time to be able to focus on their research and their other creative endeavors. And over the past 5 years, there have been several initiatives that partner students with Principia faculty to be able to play a significant role in the faculty members' research, but then also in the students' own career growth. And this includes Summer Research Assistantship programs. So thanks to the generous support from Carrie Stewart Singleton, College of 76, and her husband, Will, the Summer Research Creative Assistantships Fund focuses on experiential learning and undergraduate research programs. So we were able to offer this fund to about 6 faculty teams, and I'll share one of this past summer's research project. So Dr. Marie Farson, who's an associate professor of engineering, and Dr. John Loveseth, associate professor of forestry, proposed this project in order to solve a problem that we have here at Principia. So this is where the slide comes in. And so the problem is honeysuckle. So if you can see this, this is what honeysuckle is, a very invasive weed in the St. Louis area. It is spreading all over the campus, and it's creating quite a problem for the region and for our campus. So first, the students developed a proof of concept for an autonomous robotic system. So here you go, here's the solution. And this robotic system is intended to kill individual honeysuckle bushes, and so with little to no overspray. So the robot approaches the possible honeysuckle bush, it positively identifies them, and then makes small incisions into the bark through which the herbicide may be precisely applied. And students worked on this herbicide formulation and testing, the robot constructions, as you can see here, and then which included computer vision, pathfinding, and then mapping the algorithms for autonomous navigation. So we're pretty excited about this particular project, and we look forward to seeing how where it might go in terms of this sort of innovative activity. And as you can see, undergraduate research is the perfect merger of increasing the intellectual engagement of our students while also supporting professional development of our faculty. So I will now turn this back to Kevin.